Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video for the English YouTube channel. Yes, you read the title right. This video is going to be about how the government of Bhutan, a small country in Southeast Asia, has officially made the happiness of its citizens the #1 priority. Let's begin reading the passage. Gross national happiness. It is a widely held myth that material prosperity makes people happy. In fact, a key factor that dictates happiness is social relationships. People who rate themselves as happy tend to have regular and supportive engagement with family and friends. They also feel their work is valuable and relevant. Likewise, their personal situation is important, whether they are satisfied with themselves, their progress toward their personal goals, and their religious or spiritual life. Med Jones, president of the International Institute of Management, developed a 7-category scale that measures a nation's mental and emotional health. Taken together, the categories can be seen as an overall indication of a country's happiness. 1. Economic satisfaction, income, debt, savings. 2. Environmental satisfaction, pollution, noise, traffic. 3. Physical health, severe illnesses, access to clinics and drugstores. 4. Mental health, positive outlook, self-esteem. 5. Workplace satisfaction, unemployment, job satisfaction, motivation, workplace complaints. 6. Social satisfaction, including family and relationship satisfaction, domestic disputes, divorce rates, social discrimination and crime rates. 7. Political satisfaction, quality of local democracy, individual freedom, foreign conflicts. One country, Bhutan, has tried to balance the economic and social aspects of happiness in a unique way. Instead of pursuing success solely in terms of economic criteria, such as the gross national product and economic measure, Bhutan has established what's known as Gross National Happiness (GNH) as its central national ambition. The idea is to foster both material and spiritual development so that they both grow hand in hand. Bhutan is committed to building an economy that preserves its culture, which is founded on Buddhist spiritual values. GNH is realized through 4 principles: sustainable development of the economy, that is economic growth, that can be continued, preservation of cultural values, conservation of the natural environment, and effective government. Bhutan's decision to make its citizens' happiness a priority seems to have had positive results. Even though it ranks quite low in personal income, 124th in the world, it ranks much higher in happiness ratings. A 2005 survey revealed that nearly all Bhutanese reported being either very happy 45% or happy 52%, while only 3% reported being unhappy. In 2006, Business Week magazine ranked Bhutan as the 8th happiest country in the world, and the happiest in Asia. This is far better than many countries with vastly greater wealth, such as the United States 23rd, the United Kingdom 41st, France 62nd, and Japan 90th. Furthermore, this happiness appears not to have come at the expense of the environment. The Happy Planet Index, a combined measure of human well-being and the environmental cost of supporting that well-being, ranked Bhutan 17th out of 143 countries. This shows that supporting its happiness does not require spoiling its natural resources. So how has Bhutan been able to pursue its unusual GNH? Because it is a small rural country in the Himalayan mountains, it is able to sustain traditions at the same time it is developing. For example, people entering hospitals with no acute health problems can choose between Western or traditional medicine. However, modern technology such as TV, video shops, and the internet is now becoming more common in the country. This creates challenges for a GNH approach, which has found success by prioritizing national identity and culture. On the one hand, such technological exposure might let in outside values and vices. For example, it might raise expectations for material goods from outside Bhutan that are not readily available. On the other hand, the internet and email would undoubtedly offer better communication in a country where mountainous terrain makes travel difficult. It will be interesting to see how Bhutan tackles the problems of integrating with the wider world while also pursuing its unique happiness approach to government. It is certainly a social experiment that we all hope will flourish as an example of an alternative vision of what is important in life. Now, let's do a quick recap of the main points from the passage. Bhutan's approach to governance through gross national happiness (GNH) is indeed a fascinating case study. Balancing modernization and globalization with traditional values presents both challenges and opportunities. As Bhutan engages more with the global community, it will be crucial to maintain its cultural identity and environmental sustainability while adapting to new economic realities. The GNH framework emphasizes holistic well-being, which contrasts sharply with conventional metrics like GDP. Observing how Bhutan navigates this integration could provide valuable insights into alternative development models that prioritize social and environmental health alongside economic growth. It will be interesting to see how Bhutan balances these priorities and whether it can inspire other nations to rethink their own definitions of progress and success. New vocabularies extracted from the passage. The first one is tend to. If something tends to happen, it happens often and is likely to happen again. Take a look at the example. People tend to be more productive in the morning. To likewise, in the same way similarly. For example, she enjoyed the concert and I likewise found it very entertaining. 3 solely, not involving anything or anyone else only. Example, he is solely responsible for the project's success. 4 is acute, very serious or severe, having a sharp or keen insight. Example, she felt an acute pain in her shoulder after the workout. 5 terrain, refers to the physical features of a stretch of land, including its elevation, slope, and orientation. It plays a crucial role in various fields such as geography, geology, and military strategy. Mountainous terrain, flat terrain, hilly terrain, desert terrain, to name but a few, for example. The hikers found the rocky terrain challenging to navigate. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.